Okay, you're all done animating your Piskel. You have at least 2 frames and you've saved it recently. Just a reminder, the way we save is we click here and we choose Save to Gallery. And now you're ready to download it. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the mountain that says Export. Click there. A lot of people like to click download, but what it does is it assigns it a random name. You don't know what it is. You don't know where it's saved to. That makes it really hard to find. The other thing is you get some numbers that pop in up here. We want our numbers to be about 200 by 200. So make sure yours is about that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on Upload. Again, that's kind of weird, but you're going to click on Upload. You're going to wait. You get a yellow link. Click on it. And then there's your sprite. And all you have to do then is right click, Save Image As, save it somewhere to your computer that you know where it is with a name that you can remember. Click Save. And you have successfully exported your Piskel to use in other ways.